Did you know that YouTube's auto-generated captions do not get indexed on Google or YouTube search engines? However, if you upload a custom caption yourself on any YouTube video, Google and YouTube algorithms will easily index it for the simple reason that YouTube itself does not think their auto-generated caption does generate quality caption that is easy to read on video screens. That's one of the main reasons why it is critical to add your own captions, if not on all your videos, certainly on your money making videos. In this video, I will be showing you how to easily and automatically transcribe the audio of your videos to text, and we are starting right now. Hi, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and in this video, I'm going to introduce you to a new software that will help save you time by easily automating the process of writing your own custom video captions so you can easily get your videos ranking on the search engines for more views. But before we dive into all that, I would like to know in the comments area below this video if you have ever tried creating captions for your videos manually, and if so, how did that go for you? Now, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in marketing tips and hacks, then you might want to consider hitting that subscribe button, and let's get started. Now, the complex processing of audio in videos or the language used in a particular video can cause the YouTube auto-generated captions to be incorrect. Now, it's because of that reason, according to a former YouTube product manager, Bob Ellis, he said YouTube doesn't index automatic captions, but if you upload your own captions yourself on any YouTube video, YouTube as well as other search engines will index the video caption. You can read all about that on the Page Zen website. I will drop the link to this website in the description box below this video. Now, in the last video in this video series, I showed you how to edit your YouTube video captions manually. But as you saw in that video, the manual process can be sometimes daunting and time consuming, which is why tools like Reavoice can be very valuable. Reavoice is actually a powerful automatic multilingual video translation app that instantly generates automatic captions or subtitles. It also converts audios into text and then translates the text. It can create multilingual voiceovers as well, all in one. This tool comes packed with cutting-edge features like the automatic caption creation and placement tool. What this tool does is it extracts the audio from your videos, transcribe it into captions, and automatically places the correct captions at the correct time in your video. The tool can translate the text in your video into audio in different languages using their innovative AI software. The tool also comes with an automatic voiceover that uses accent, dialect, and styles from 270 plus UN style voices available in the software. Basically, this tool can help make the process of adding your video subtitles or captions very easy and in no time. And as you probably know, video captions do help with the rankings of videos on search engines. Plus, with the help of this tool, you'll be able to rank in many different foreign languages. The result of all that is basically more views, leads, and sales. Now watch how easily you can transcribe videos and translate them into 30 different languages and 250 different voiceovers in UN style.
In this video, I will show you how to generate subtitles automatically from your videos, also translate them to any language and generate voiceover from them. So first step is you choose a video from your computer, or you just copy and paste the URL from YouTube. For now, I will just use a YouTube video. So I will click on YouTube video and paste my URL in here and click next. And later I will choose the quality and download the video. Then we just create a new project. We give a name to our project. Parrot. And the video is in English. So I will keep video language as English and create project. So let's play the video and see how it is without translating or generating any voiceover. So let's click on play and listen a little bit.
Would you like to introduce yourself?
Okay, so let's just generate subtitles from the video by clicking on generate subtitles and click start. Okay, our video has transcribed it very successfully. Let's close this model. And as you can see from the vertical timeline and the horizontal timeline that we have, or we got already our subtitles. So next step is we are going to translate these subtitles to another language. For now, I would like to translate them to French language. And click Start Translation. Translation is done, and as you can see, it's automatically brought the French translation. And as you can see from the horizontal timeline, it's in here, like a little bit small because the video dimensions are bigger. So next step, I would like to generate voiceover. So before generating any voiceover, you should set some options for the voiceover. So for example, I would like to go with the WaveNet technology because it's better than the standard. As well as I have to choose like a voice name. I would like to go with the last one, and let's listen to it by clicking on Speak It.
Voudriez-vous vous présenter?
Okay, that's nice. I would like to go with it. So let's click on Save Changes. Next step is to click on Voice Over. It will generate French voiceover. And let's click again to generate and wait a little bit until the subtitles are synthesized. Nice, our voiceover generated successfully. Okay, let's close this and let's start the video from the start or from the beginning.
Would you like to introduce yourself?
As you can see, there is like some mix-up of the voices, like the original video sound is mixed with the voiceover we just generated. So to solve this issue, we click on the video on the timeline, and we will get like some settings for the video sound. For the volume, I would like to keep 100% for the video sound, and when voiceover is playing, voiceover is playing over, I would like to put the video sound volume to something like 10%. So let's start from the beginning again and play the video and see how it's gonna be.
Voudriez-vous vous présenter?
As you can see, the video sound goes or get reduced when the voiceover is playing over. That's what we mean by UN style voiceover method, and that's great. So next step is we just need, for example, to translate the same video to another language without creating any new project or something. We just go back to the base language, which is English, click to translate, put any other language you want, for example, let's say Italian, and click Start Translation, and it's done. We got our translation. Let me zoom a little bit. We got our translation in Italian language. So to generate Italian voiceover, you just have to choose like Italian from here and go to options. I would like to go with WaveNet technology and select a voice. And let's listen to it.
Ti piacerebbe presentarti?
Okay, I would like to go with it. So let's save changes and let's generate voiceover for Italian language. That's nice. Our voiceover has generated successfully. So let's play it in Italian.
Ti piacerebbe presentarti? Sei famoso. Che ne dici di alcuni suoni di animali? Puoi fare un lupo rosso? Che ne dici di un gufo? Che i graziosi uccelli canori? Che ne dici di un gallo? Rooster?
And the last step is to render our video. So you click on render and you select your language you want to render. You give a name, let's say for example Italian video, and the type of the output, like if you want to only render voiceovers or only audio or just the video without subtitles. I would like to go with the video and click on render and wait until it's done. So our video is rendered successfully, and that's it. Thank you for watching.
Now take note, whether you are paying for ads or you are using videos to get traffic, you will be losing out on a potential market without using captions or subtitles in your videos. There are many people with hearing disability you might be missing out on. What about those people who prefer watching videos silently for whatever reason? Even the best video content in the world is useless if it's falling on deaf ears. And that's why you as a video marketer owe it to yourself to check out Reavoicely. I will drop the link to this tool in the description box below this video. Make sure to check that out.